Hi friends, I'm Jeffrey Rodriguez, makeup artist, and here's my tutorial on how to use green, blue, and white eyeshadow. Okay, so Karina, we're going to use the new colors from Makeup Forever. It's actually called the Aqua Collection. These are really great cream shadows that blend beautifully and they're really strongly pigmented. I'm going to use the white shade first. I want to do a little soft inner corner with the white. Close your eyes, love. I'm going to line the inner corner of your eye and blend upward. The color combination is very interesting. It's going to be beautiful on your warm skin tone, so very complementary. But you don't want to look, garish or overdo it. Look upwards, forming a V on the inner corner. The next stage is this beautiful green color. I'm going to use an angled brush to apply this color. I want definition with this shade. Close your eyes, please, and turn this way. I'm going to sweep this color along your lash line from the outer corner. And then from my extended line, blend softly up into the crease, creating sort of a defined corner here for you. This will elongate the look and softly lift your eyes. And see how soft that is? This goes on really blendable texture here, so you want to make sure that you don't overwork the product onto your eyelid. Very effortless soft blending is key for this product. Close, love. Beautiful. Moving on to the blue, I'm going to go for the more deeper turquoise blue. I'm going to go for a softer, more concentrated brush, smaller head actually. So we can take this color on your lower lash line. I'm going to use both ends of the brush. And look upwards, please. We're going to use this color to line your lower lash line. We're going to blend a little bit more of the white to soften this out, taking it up to the brow now. It fades off very softly, so you don't really see white. Beautiful. We're going to apply some mascara. The Makeup Forever Smoky Lash is the perfect mascara for this. I love the rich, moussey texture. Make your lashes really rich. Look down there. Zigzag the brush at the roots. I always give a little bit of bend to the brush for more leverage. Look there, love. And you can see you get a really rich, thick lash, which complements this look beautifully. I think for the lower lash line, we definitely want to add a good coat of mascara. Look upward. We can take the brush vertically and skim the lower lashes for a soft, light coat. Just the right pop over that beautiful liner we just used. These colors look amazing on you, Karina. Love it. Once again, that's my tutorial on how to use green, blue, and white eyeshadow. I'm Jeffrey Rodriguez. Thanks for watching.